I'm Lisa LaPlume, a National Product Specialist for Hardware Resources for Functional Hardware. Have you ever installed an undermount and run into some frustrations on the installation? It happens every once in a while, and there's some very easy steps that you can walk through to try to resolve the issue. The first thing to do is to take the box off of the slide, and if the slide opens and closes with no issue, then we know the slide is usually okay. The second thing we do is we take a measurement of the drawer box. So we measure on the corners, on the angle, to make sure that the box is square. The third thing that we do is on the clips, we have a side-to-side adjustment here, this little screw. And what this does, if you put it back to a neutral position, gives you the best shot at resolving if it's a clip issue. And then the last thing to check is the hook hole. We have a diagram in our manufacturing catalog that tells you exactly where to put that. So it makes it easy for you, and it's industry standard. The last thing we have is a tool that we sell that gives you all of the products that you need to install our undermount slides. So hopefully walking through these steps will help you easily identify what the issue is. If it's a product problem, we obviously have a lifetime warranty and we stand behind our products. So we try to save you time and money here at Hardware Resources, and we really appreciate your business.